How to publish pictures and be showing what has been happening in Africa. We want to ask him what happened on the February 24th, 1966. Who is behind this?
Abat l'impérialisme! Abat l'impérialisme! Vive la révolution!
Vive la révolution!
La patrie ou la mort!
Patrice Lumumba.
Yes.
What happened to him?
Yeah.
Donald Trump should come and tell us, since you know history.
Yeah.
Donald Trump, we are not living it. There are a lot of people that we can talk about. This is Patrice Lumumba once again here. Thomas Sankara.
Yeah.
Thomas Sankara. Thomas
Thomas
Sankara rose up and said, I need to feed my people. We need to take over our own mineral resources.
Yeah.
We need to own our land.
Yeah.
And what happened to him? We want Donald Trump to come and show us pictures like this and tell us why and when and who was behind all these assassinations. Donald Trump wants to come and tell us our history and how we should rule our own country. This is Osaje for Dr. Kwame Nkrumah.
Yes.
This is exactly the same place that Nkrumah said that our independence is meaningless unless it is linked with the total liberation of Africa. When Ivory Coast, when Burkina, when Sudan, when Angola, when Nigeria, when Africans come together and understand ourselves, hold our hands as brothers, they came and took him off. This is the unity. This is what it means. And now, Ibrahim Traoré is only awakening the mind.